So we're just waiting for them to check all the restraints and the seat belts, and then off we are. It is, by the way, 20 degrees today, but it's humid. That went fast. We are leaving. Water. That was a great start though. They sprayed me with water. The bird peed on me. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Wow. Okay guys, here we go! Woohoo! Whee! Wow! Wow! Oh, that is so nice! That's such a nice coaster. That is one great roller coaster. That is very nice. So we did it on the left wing now. We have to try the right wing later to see how that is. Oh wow. That was a front row POV with the horizon lock. Oh, it was fun. So much fun. Welcome back to the station. We survived.